Minnehaha County man is behind bars accused of driving drunk and then pointing a gun in a deputy's face. Deputies responded to a report of a possible drunk driver at about 10 o'clock last night just west of Sioux Falls. A witness reported the license plate, so deputies headed to the driver's home just down the road from Wildwater West. When they knocked on the door, deputies say 47-year-old Verlin Pastrallo came out of a garage, was uncooperative, and pointed a loaded pistol at a deputy's face. He was just a few feet away. The deputy was able to get the gun out of his hand. Pastrallo faces multiple charges, including aggravated assault on law enforcement.